Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. On this episode I'm 2 miles away from 1,000, so I figured I'd show that rolling over. I also wanted to show my new exhaust. Sorry about my shadow. I think it turned out pretty good. Way quiet now. I showed the last, I think it was the last episode, showing it getting built. But now you see I wrapped this titanium wrap around, 2.5 inch all the way around. So you can see, actually looks pretty decent now. I mean, it's not gorgeous by any stretch of the imagination, but it's acceptable. So we're at 998 miles. I'm gonna get in there. I'm actually going to meet a buddy for some pizza, and we'll get over 1,000 miles. So stay tuned, and then what I might do is give you all my thoughts. 1,000 miles. So stay tuned and hit subscribe. Pickup truck up there. He's doing 20 miles an hour.